Oh, time to back off. That was a McCree. Are you fucking kidding me? You see how far fucking away he is? Look at this! Are they out of their fucking minds? He's sniping from insanely far away with a handgun. Fuck this, man. Man, Blizzard is stupid. What a bunch of idiots. Well, now they're gonna start spamming divas. Here we go. Oh, we're losing. We have to spam divas now. You know, the character that Blizzard made way too powerful because they don't know how to rebalance their own fucking games. Look at that. What the... Well, what a great tank. Insanely high health, non-stop fire without needing reload. Even though I'm a tank absorbing energy and having damage boost, I can't even kill a single fucking diva. What a fair game. Totally balanced. Stupid idiots at Blizzard. Stupid idiots at Blizzard. Let's rebalance our game. Oops. Well, oops. He wasted his ultimate on me? What the hell? Why on earth would you waste your ultimate on one? Oh, okay. He was trying to target more than one person. He did. Wow. Never mind. Again, no indication of that on my screen. Another thing with the first-person shooters. Why couldn't it tell me he got multi-kill? Well, you know, McCree's not overpowered or anything. He's very well balanced. Yeah, nothing we can do. We're done. I don't know, man. I think Symmetra sucks now. Her turrets are terrible. Her turrets have less health and do less damage. It's so easy. You know, most of the time, her turrets get destroyed inadvertently. People aren't aiming for the turrets. They're just doing, like, rockets or whatever. And the turrets just blow up because they're so weak because they nerfed the turrets because Blizzard is a bunch of fucking idiots.
Oh, baby, a triple! Oh, yeah!
I don't know how to rebalance their game. Symmetra was not overpowered to begin with. Symmetra was actually one of the weakest characters in the game, and fucking Blizzard made her worse.
Epic.
For no reason.
100%.
No good fucking reason. It's a shame because I actually really like Symmetra in the beta. And now her turrets are garbage. They completely ruined the character because they fucking listened to people whining about turrets instead of actually playing the fucking game and knowing what was overpowered. That's what happens when you give in to whiners.